Hi guys, welcome to another video of Learn Kokni and the Varnamala 7. Okay, so next would be the last one, which would be quite short because it has only 3 alphabets in it. And after that, we will be learning the new words, okay, the small ones, and which will make you understand how Devanagari script is written. Okay, we'll take some words from Hindi. Okay, that would be happening 15 days from now. Let's start with this session. So first is sure. So sure, the spelling is same. See that sure and this sure. Okay, the sure which we learned in the last session, the last alphabet, that and this is same. The way we say, but some spellings use this sure, some spelling use that sure. That sure is more common. Okay, but still this sure is also in use. Okay, not very rare, quite rare I would say. So sure, sha, sha with a, sure with e with she, sure with e will be she, right? I told you. Sure with u will be shu, and sure with u will be shu. She, sure and a she, sure and I shy, sure and o show, sure and o show, sure and shum, and sure and aha shaha. So, okay, so for sun, right? So is the normal so. Sa is with the sound a. Si, so with small e. C, S-E-A, the spelling of S-E-A-C is this one, okay? Or even the alphabet C, right? So C is C. So and U will give you su. So and U will give you su. Say, okay? So and a, say. But you get the word say in English, S-A-Y, say. Okay, so and a. Sai, so and I, Sai. Sai is also a name in India, right? Sai. So, right? So and O will give me so. Next, you have Au, So. So and O will give me So. That is the reason why when I write my name in Devanagari or in Hindi or English, whatever it is, I write this first. So this alphabet with the sound replaces S-A-U in my name. Sau and Rab. So I have to write Sau, Ro, okay, Ro and Bho. So that will give me my name. Sau, Ro and Bho. Okay. Then you have Sam, So and Mo. Okay, Sam, So and Aha, Saha. Third alphabet of the day is Her. Okay, Her, His, Her. So Her and Her is same. Her and A will give me Ha. Okay, Her and E will give me He. Her and E will give me He. Okay, so H-E, He, right? He. So that is He. This one is the combination of sound and alphabet we use for he. Her and oo will give me who. Her and oo will give me who, and that is WHO, who, right? Hey, her and a, hey, right? Hey, we say right, hey, how are you? So that hey is this one, right? Hey, hi, her and I, hi, her and o, ho, right? Ho and oh, ho. Correct? Ho and hum, and ho and aha, ho, ha. So now we are turning to the difficult part. Okay. So the next alphabet is ksha. Okay. So start with k and don't complete it and say sure. That is the reason I have written. It is a combination of k and sure. K shouldn't be full. It is just the first sound which comes. Okay. Ksha. Just start with ko and say sure. Okay, say suppose imagine you wanted to start something with ko, and then when you just started, you wanted to say sure actually. Okay, so ko which you wanted to say was wrong and it would be like sure, right? So sure, sure, sure. Okay, so you need to practice this obviously because this is quite difficult for anyone not knowing Devanagari, right? So ksha, ksha, okay, ksha. Ksha with a will give me ksha. Ksha with e will give me kshi. Sure with E will give me Kshi, right? Sure with U will give me Kshu, and sure with U will give me Kshu. Sure with A will give me Kshe. Sure with I will give me Shai. Sure with O will give me Sho. Sure with Au will give me Shau. Sure with will give me Sham, and sure with aha will give me aha. Okay, I know it's quite a bit difficult to pronounce, and these aren't very common. They're very rare, very rare, and you find their application more in Sanskrit. Okay, because they have these sounds more. Aha. Aha is the maximum used word sound in Sanskrit. Okay, so these two you can okay, you may not emphasize more on it, but you need to practice others. So the last alphabet of the day is Tro. Okay, again a bit difficult, as I told you, we are going on the difficult side now. And Tro is a combination of T, that is the softer variant of T, okay, tomato, the Italian or French accent which I told you, which is soft. So T, T and R, Tro. Okay, you may be knowing Cleopatra, right? So, say suppose a French person says, he'll say Cleopatra, Tro, right? Tra. So that is this tra. This is Tro, okay? So Tro with O will be Tro. Tro with A will be Tra, Cleopatra. Tro will be with E will be three. Tro with E will be three, okay? Tro with U will be true. Tro with U will be true. Tray, throw and a tray. Throw and I tray. Throw and o throw. Throw and o throw. Throw and thrum, and throw and aha traha. Okay, so you need to practice this because the next one is even difficult, right? So that's it. In the next video, I think we have only 3 alphabets left, and after that we are done. After that, we will be again going with the small words which I told you. So hope you like the video, and comment as usual. Let me know how you felt the video was, whether it was interactive or not, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.